After defining workflow states and transitions, the graph must be compiled into an executable runtime. Compilation converts abstract workflow definitions into an operational orchestration engine capable of handling real user requests. During compilation, node functions are registered, edges are validated, conditional branches are configured, and failure handling logic is established. This process ensures that invalid transitions or missing handlers are caught before runtime. Once compiled, the graph becomes a reusable execution engine. Each incoming user request creates a fresh graph execution context while still leveraging persistent memory from DynamoDB. Graph compilation also enables runtime telemetry collection, making it possible to observe which states consume the most time or where bottlenecks occur. In enterprise deployments, compiled orchestration graphs can be versioned and rolled out gradually using canary deployments. This enables safe evolution of workflows over time. Compilation therefore bridges design time workflow modeling and production-grade multi-agent execution, ensuring reliability and operational governance. Real-time telemetry is essential for infrastructure diagnosis, and AWS CloudWatch provides one of the most important data sources for our agentic system. CloudWatch supplies metrics such as CPU utilization, memory pressure, disk IOPS, network throughput, latency, and application errors. The retriever agent queries CloudWatch to gather fresh evidence during investigations. This allows the system to correlate historical memory with live infrastructure signals. Metrics are often aggregated across multiple dimensions including region, instance, application, and time window. Threshold breaches, anomaly detection, and metric spikes can all trigger investigations automatically. CloudWatch also integrates with alarms and event buses, allowing incidents to initiate agent workflows without human intervention. Observability pipelines become far more powerful when AI can interpret metric trends rather than relying solely on static thresholds. In agentic architectures, telemetry is the sensory system. Without real-time metrics, reasoning becomes blind. CloudWatch integration ensures the AI sees infrastructure behavior as it happens, enabling proactive detection and faster root cause analysis. Not all infrastructure data is accessible through APIs. Many critical diagnostics still require direct server access, especially in hybrid enterprise environments with on-prem systems. The SSH Diagnostics Service enables secure remote command execution on Linux or Unix servers. Through SSH, the executor agent can gather process statistics, inspect memory usage, read log files, check disk capacity, and identify resource bottlenecks. Common commands include top, ps, df, netstat, and journalctl. To maintain security, SSH access is tightly controlled using least privilege credentials, bastion hosts, and command allow lists. Read-only diagnostics may run automatically, while higher-risk commands require approval. SSH results are captured and returned as structured evidence for reasoning. This service is especially valuable when investigating application-level issues that cloud telemetry alone cannot explain. In hybrid infrastructure environments, SSH tooling bridges AI reasoning with low-level operational visibility, giving agents deeper access to system internals during incident investigations. Now let us walk through a real incident to see how the entire system operates. An alert is triggered. Payment API latency has suddenly increased from 200 milliseconds to 4 seconds. Customer transactions are slowing and business impact is rising. The alert automatically triggers a new graph execution. The planner agent receives the incident description and decomposes the investigation into tasks. The retriever begins collecting CloudWatch metrics, recent deployments, incident history, and operational runbooks. DynamoDB memory reveals that similar latency occurred 2 weeks earlier due to Redis cache exhaustion. The system marks this as a possible hypothesis but continues gathering evidence. The knowledge graph identifies upstream and downstream dependencies including API servers, Redis cache, RDS database, and message queue. By combining memory, telemetry, and dependency reasoning, the system narrows investigation scope rapidly. This illustrates the power of stateful agentic intelligence. Diagnosis starts with contextual awareness rather than beginning from zero every time an incident occurs. With evidence collected, the system begins root cause analysis. CloudWatch metrics show CPU remains normal, ruling out compute saturation. Database latency is elevated but only after API latency rises, suggesting downstream impact rather than primary cause. SSH Diagnostics reveal growing connection wait times in Redis. Logs show repeated cache misses and eviction warnings. The retriever finds historical incidents matching this pattern. The reviewer cross-validates evidence and confirms strong correlation with cache exhaustion. Root cause analysis is fundamentally about eliminating false hypotheses while strengthening evidence-backed explanations. The knowledge graph further shows that degraded cache performance directly affects session lookups and token validation, explaining API slowdown. Rather than guessing, the agent synthesizes telemetry, logs, historical memory, and dependency relationships into a coherent explanation. Accurate root cause analysis prevents wasteful remediation such as restarting healthy services. In enterprise operations, solving the wrong problem can worsen outages. AI-powered reasoning helps reduce this risk by grounding conclusions in evidence. After identifying root cause, the planner generates remediation options ranked by risk and expected impact. Possible actions include flushing stale cache entries, scaling Redis nodes, increasing memory allocation, or temporarily rerouting workloads. Each action receives a risk score and rollback strategy. Because cache flush affects live sessions, the action is classified as medium risk and requires approval. The reviewer validates that similar remediation succeeded in past incidents stored in memory. This increases confidence in the recommendation. Automated remediation planning transforms raw diagnosis into actionable operations. Rather than suggesting generic fixes, the system produces precise execution steps, expected outcomes, and rollback instructions. This structured planning enables safe automation. Enterprise systems demand explainability, especially when AI influences infrastructure decisions. By showing rationale, evidence, and risk scoring, the agent builds operator trust. Remediation planning represents the transition from intelligence gathering to controlled operational response.